Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura RDX and the Honda HR-V. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. The RDX offers a premium experience with robust performance, while the HR-V provides practical versatility and excellent fuel economy. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, the RDX clearly takes the lead with its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 272 horsepower for a more exhilarating drive. The HR-V, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency with its 2.0-liter engine, providing 158 horsepower, which is ample for city driving. In terms of size, the RDX is a larger vehicle, translating to more generous interior space for both passengers and cargo, making it ideal for families or those needing extra room. Inside, the Acura RDX truly shines with its luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials, sophisticated design, and an advanced infotainment system with a 10.2-inch display. The Honda HR-V offers a more straightforward, yet highly functional interior, prioritizing practicality and ease of use with its 7-inch touchscreen. While both vehicles include essential safety technologies, the RDX often comes with more premium comfort and convenience features as standard. Ultimately, your choice between the RDX and HR-V will depend on your priorities and budget. The RDX, with its higher starting price, delivers a premium, performance-oriented experience. The HR-V provides excellent value, fuel efficiency, and practicality for everyday use at a more accessible price point. Both are great vehicles, but they serve different needs. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.